Hello guys, welcome to Fun Tech channel on YouTube. In today's video, I will be teaching you on how you can go live on TikTok. But firstly, what you must know first is that TikTok live eligibility is 1,000 followers. That means that for you to go live on TikTok, you must have at least 1,000 followers. Okay, let's proceed to our TikTok account. This is my TikTok account that I want to log into. After logging into your TikTok account, in profile, you will click on profile. After clicking on profile, then the three dots at the top here, you will click on it. After clicking on it, you will click settings and privacy. In this setting and privacy, you will click live. After clicking the live center, you will click live center. The thing is processing, so let's waste. Okay, no live here. Okay, we are going back. Sorry. We are going to our creator center. Okay, in this our creator center, this is live. There's two live. You can use that other one to go live too. We click on this live. After clicking on the live, okay, you can. If you are not going live before, maybe you are just a new TikToker, you are just growing your accounts. From this live here, you can go live directly, but because I have 1,000 followers, I can't go live here. So I will go back to these tools, and on getting to these tools, I will click live gifts. Okay, the thing is processing. Let's wait. You can see get gifts while you go live. Go live. Okay, when you are in this place, you can see go live. That means that for you to go in live, in this live, you can live with your device camera, mobile gaming. You can be gaming from your phone, or you can go to live studio. If you want to add multiple camera to your live streaming on TikTok. Okay, go live. Okay, what you must do before you go live, you must edit your live goal. I will name this to live TikTok streaming tutorial, TikTok live tutorial, TikTok live tutorial. Then you set cover. This is the cover photo that I want to use. Select topic, dance, education. We select education because I'm teaching. Done. Then you click on live. You can see that I'm going live. Can see this is it. back.